Hi, I'm Haley, and I am going to be showing and talking about potatoes today. So here with me, I have a few different types of potatoes. They're all the same type, but a few different stages of potatoes. So here I have a potato that's just now starting to grow them sprouts or eyes, and you can see how they look a little odd and they're a little weird looking. Here's another one, and it has a little bit different. All potatoes look different when they're starting out, like this one too. And then later on you get a potato that looks like this. And these can come from the grocery store. If they start sprouting, then those are potatoes that are able to be planted. You can also still eat them with the sprouts, just take them off typically. And then once they have those sprouts, you know that you can plant it and it will grow. So what you would do is you would cut this potato up enough to where each spot, there's about a spot or two on each piece of potato that you have. So then you would take that and you would let it dry up for a little bit, and then you plant it in the ground, which I will show you where we plant ours. And then once you plant it, it'll be about 70 to 100 days before that plant will die, and then you have potatoes in the ground to dig up. So here's one that we have left out a little too long. It's from last season. We actually harvested this potato from our garden, and you can see how it's grown up. So if we were to plant this in the ground, once it starts growing leaves, that's when you know it's making potatoes. And then after a while, the plant will grow flowers that can be blue, pink, purple, white, all different colors. The flowers are not edible, but we can eat the potatoes under the ground. We just have to wait until they're ready. These are some of the bins that we plant our potatoes in, and since it's just for our family to have potatoes, we don't usually plant very many. So we will plant the potato in here and with like a base of soil down, and then we'll put straw on top and then a little bit more soil. So that straw is easier for the potato to grow out and to have other potatoes grow off of it. And then when we dig it up in the fall, it's a lot easier to manage, and it's a lot easier to find everything. Also because we don't have potatoes growing out in the ground that we don't know where they go. It's all contained in these types of containers.